What's going on, guys? Today we are back with another video, and we're gonna be working on this thing here. We're gonna be putting new spark plugs in it. So these are the spark plugs. They are the NGK. Come in packs of 2. I think they were like $12 a piece. Well, a pack. And then we got the breather filter here. We're gonna pop the hood here. So we'll install the breather filter first. So we just take this hose off right here that goes to the back of the valve cover. So you just pull it just like that, and then this is supposed to come off. So now I got you guys set up on the tripod so I can use 2 hands, but this is what we're after here. There we go. And it just comes off just like that. Let me grab the breather filter here. Yeah, like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's oil in that. That's what we're trying to avoid. So I'll grab the breather filter and we'll install that. Alright, so here's the breather filter. It just says air filter on it. This is pretty much what it is. But we got that. And then I bought these plugs here. Or caps, sorry. They're for like the end of drill bits and screw heads and all that. I really don't know if it's gonna fit over top, so I might have to figure something else out, but we'll install that right now. Jam that down in there. So that might work there, might not, but who knows. This is the packaging it comes in, just plastic. So throw the box away. And that's the filter. I don't know why it's like that on that one, but we'll face that part down. So that's the hole they give you. I don't know how good you guys are gonna be able to see this, but I'm gonna put this over by that hole, or the hole in the valve cover. If I can get it. Nice. So that's on there now. So pretty much it's just a Phillips. Is what that is there. I don't know if this one's gonna work, but so you just put that in there. There we go. And it needs to come back. Damn it. Drop that right behind. Or underneath. I don't know if that's all the way on, but it needs to just be a little more loose. That's tightening. There. Now we'll tighten it up, and hopefully, I don't even know if you guys can see that really. I'm gonna change the camera angle so you guys can see that. Alright, I got you guys zoomed in a little there. So this is what we just installed there. We'll just tighten her up now. Hopefully get a good. Why is it not tightening? Really? It's gonna do this. What the hell? Oh, there we go. Got it on now. So that ain't going anywhere. So that's that. I'm gonna have to figure something else out for this this little breather or part on the intake there. Let me just turn you guys. Just that part up there. All right, so I got something geared up there. I just got a smaller cap and put it in upside down, and it's not like bent or anything, which is good, so it has more suction, I guess. But that's probably the only thing that I can think about for doing. So check the oil. I know it was low yesterday, so we'll have to see if we need to put more in it. I don't know if I should run no valve cover or I mean not valve cover, the plastic piece. I don't know if I should run that or not, because it looks fine without it. Oh yeah, she's good for oil. I think it's leaking somewhere around here and right here, just because there's some residue there. But we'll disconnect the battery, disconnect all the coil packs. I believe these are 8mm. I'm not sure what those are. I think it's a 14, no, a 15. All right, let me just very carefully. Yeah, 15. So this is how you strip these out here. I'm a professional at it. There we go. On my old engine, because this is the new one, when I took the coil packs out, I took one of these bolts out and it snapped the valve cover. So I'm gonna try to avoid that as much as I can. Oh, this one's coming with the bolt too. Yeah, I forgot about that one. But I think they're 8mm. I'm just gonna check real quick. So now we're just gonna take this off, and hopefully this one. Oh, that was pretty loose. That's the bolt. Is there oil on it? There's oil on it. Let me get this. We'll disconnect the battery. Connect that. Alright, so there's that one. And that one. I'm gonna set this like right there. We'll set that there and leave the negative like that. And now we can unplug all our coil packs. They're a little on there. Okay, so there's 1, 2. That one is for my remote start. They have it hooked into cylinder 4. There we go. So we got all 4 coil packs disconnected. And now we'll do one cylinder at a time. Alright, so we'll set that up there. And let me get my spark plug remover. Alright, so I believe I found the socket. So we'll just... Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Hopefully this spark plug comes up. Let's see. Well, I don't think it did, because it's still down there. There we go. Yeah. So, that is the old spark plug. And if you look at it, I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. So, that's the old one. It's a lot more worn. There is oil on the spark plug too, so that's not a good sign. So we'll just go grab the other spark plug and we will install it. Alright, so I got my new spark plug here, nice and fresh. So we'll install that now. So now we'll switch it to the tightening and we will install it. Oh, I don't think it was on there at first, but it is now. There we go. So, why did the socket not come with that? There we go. So that is spark plug number 1 installed. I'm gonna install the other 3 off camera and put it all back together and we'll start it up for you. So I was just taking spark plug number 2 out and this is what it looks like here. Oh yeah, dripping oil right on the car. Jeez. Like that is a lot of oil in that cylinder. Like coated in oil. I don't really know why that is, but if any of you guys know and you guys want to comment, we will try to figure it out. But like, wow, that's not good, I don't think. Anyways, I'll get back to that and then we'll start the car up and I'll let you guys hear it. Alright, so we got it all installed. So cylinder 2 and cylinder 3, they were full of oil. Like, they were covered in oil. And I honestly don't know why, but if any of you guys know, just comment down below. Like, that's kind of ridiculous there. But now we're gonna start the car. Hopefully that stays in that hole there for the intake. If not, I'll have to run up to hardware store or something, or Napa, and find something that'll fit that. But now, well, I'll put you at the back of the car and it'll be a cold start. Don't know what the weather's like today. Right now it says it's 4 degrees, but it feels like 1. So it'll be a little bit of a cold start. I mean, it's been sitting down here since like 9:30 last night. So yeah, we'll get a cold start going. Another thing is, I think I'm gonna leave the plastic cover for the valve cover just because I like the look of that. I'm just gonna take it off and leave it off because it looks good. I like the look of an actual engine, not plastic. But anyways, on to the cold start. in. I mean, so far it's holding up pretty good. Just trying to relearn the idle again. But no air leaks there. That's good. That's a good sign. I don't know how that's gonna hold up underneath a little bit of load, but we'll see. And I'll get back to you guys once the car's warmed up and all that, and I've relearned everything. But like, she got a lot of oil coming out the back right now. I think it's just trying to burn it off. Smells pretty bad, but yeah, I'll get back to you guys once the car's warm. All right, guys. So it's all warmed up. Gave it a few revs off camera, and you can hear the intake sucking finally. So I'll set the camera up and I'll rev it for you guys, and you can hear it. Yeah, we'll give you some revs from behind, and you'll be able to hear it. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it's right on the back of the car here. Sounds good. I like the sound of it. So anyways, I'm probably gonna end the video here, but I'm gonna flip the camera around first. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed. It's a little longer. This is the car. I can't wait to see what comes next for it. It's nice, and there's no engine light now, so I think there was a misfire in one of the cylinders. It was causing an engine light to come on, but now I think the next video it might be a driving POV. Like, we might be driving somewhere. So I might get one of them things for the chest or mount it on the seat here. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and a comment. That would be really appreciated. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next video.